What is Forex margin trading? It's a kind of global derivatives trading that an investor does with a bank or broker. It gives investors and speculators the opportunity to trade in the Forex market. Have you ever faced challenges when trading Forex or other types of financial instruments? Such as, the financial markets are very complex, and you often have to face enormous psychological pressures when dealing with the huge market volatility. Or the automated trading systems are too hard or too expensive to use? If yes, then don't worry. There are ways to overcome these. Using Henordy's social trading system, you can easily find some of the best Forex traders who have partnered with us and have their real past trading results verified by the third-party site myfxbook.com. You can then elect to follow those experts' trading signals in our system and start duplicating their trades in your account using Henordy's customer back-office management system. You can get detailed stats about their past performance, as well as real-time open trade status for each of the associated traders in our system. It's completely transparent. It provides someone who is new to Forex or doesn't have the time or domain knowledge to do manual trading in Forex a viable way to invest in this market with preset risk controls. Henordy.